Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and I will teach you general knowledge. Okay, so today we are going to start our revision of lesson number 4 and 5. So, first of all, prepare your textbook and pencil. Okay. So, first of all, we will revise lesson number 4, group name guide. What is a group word or group name? See here, group words or collective nouns are nouns which refer to groups of people, animals or things. What is a group word? Group words are nouns which refer to groups of people, animals or things. There are special group words for particular combinations of people, animals and things. It means group word. What is a group word? There are special group words for particular combinations of people, animals and things. It means a group word. Now start our lesson. Give one word to denote the group of things given below. First one is a group of judges. Answer is panel. P A N E L panel. It is a down word, right? You have to write in down. P-A-N-E-L. A group of judges. They are judges, right? So what it called? It called panel. P-A-N-E-L. Panel. Next one is second, a collection of cards. This is a collection of cards. It means pack. P-A-C-K. Pack. This is a group name. A collection of cards. Pack. P-A-C-K. It is also downward. You have to write like this. P-A-C-K. Pack. Now next one is question number 3. A collection of stars. A collection of stars. What is the group name of collection of star? G-A-L-A-X-Y. Galaxy. This is a crossword, right? You want to write like this in your textbook. Okay. A collection of stars. Group name is galaxy. G-A-L-A-X X, Y, galaxy. Next one is fourth question is a group of fish. A group of fish. Group name is S C H O L, school. A group of fish it called school. S C H O L, school. This is also a crossword. You have to write in slipping line in your textbook. Given box. School. SCHOOL. Next one is a group of ants. This is a group of ants, right? What it called? It called COLONY, colony. A group of ants means colony. COLONY, colony. This is downward, right? A group of ants, it means colony. Next one is a group of singers. Group name is CHOIR, choir. A group name is group of singers name choir. CHOIR. It's also downward. Next one is a collection of wood. Seventh question is a collection of wood. What is the group name of collection of wood? BUNDLE, bundle. A collection of food, group name is bundle. BUNDLE. Now, next one. A collection of flowers. A collection of flowers. Group name is BOUQUET, bouquet. This is downward. A collection of flowers, bouquet. BOUQUET. Now, next one. A collection of cattle. Group name is HERD. Herd. A collection of cattle, it means herd. HERD. This is downward, right? Next one is a group of mountains. Our ninth question is a group of mountains. Answer is RANGERS. E. Range. A group of mountains. Group name is range. This is a crossword. R-A-N-G-E. Range. Next one. Question number 10. A group of dancers. Group name is T-R-O-U-P-E. Troupe. A group of dancer means troupe. T-R-O-U-P-E. Troupe. This is also a crossword. Next one. A group of students. Group name is C-L-A-S-S. Class. Question number 11. A group of students, it means class. C-L-A-S-S. Class. Next one. Question number 12. A collection of cars. Group name is F-L-E-E-T. Flat. A collection of cars. Group name is flat. This is downward. Next one is a collection of stairs. Question number 12. One is downward and this one is a crossword. A collection of stairs. F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. A collection of stairs. Group name is flight. F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. Next one is a collection of trees. Group name is G-R-O-V-E. Grow. This is downward. G-R-O-V-E. Grow. A collection of trees. Grew. Next one is a group of geese. It means G-A-G-G-L-E. Gaggle. This is a crossword. A group of geese. Group name is gaggle. G-A-G-G-L-E. Now I'll revise all the questions again. Okay? A group of judge. Panel. P-A-N-E-L. You all students speak with me. Okay? A group of judges. Panel. P-A-N-E-L. A collection of cards. Pack. P-A-C-K. A collection of cards. Pack. P-A-C-K. A collection of stars, galaxy. Galaxy, galaxy. A collection of stars, galaxy. Galaxy. I hope you all are repeating with me. Okay. A group of fish, school. SCHOOL. A group of fish, school. SCHOOL. A group of ants, colony. COLONY, colony. A group of ants, colony. COLONY. A group of singers, choir. CHOIR. A group of singers, choir. CHOIR. A collection of food, bundle. BUNDLE. A collection of food, bundle. BUNDLE. A collection of flowers, bouquet. 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 A collection of flowers, BOUQUET. Next one, a collection of cattle, herd. HERD. A collection of cattle, herd. HERD. A group of mountains, group name is range. RANGE. A group of mountains, group name is range. RANGE. A group of dancers, troop. TROUPE. A group of dancers, group name is troop. TROUPE. A group of student, class. Group name is class. CLASS. A group of students, group name is class. CLASS. A collection of cars, group name is fleet. FLEET. A collection of cars, group name is fleet. FLEET. A collection of stairs, group name is flight. FLIGHT. A collection of stairs, group name is flight. FLIGHT. A collection of trees, group name is grove. GROVE. A collection of trees, group name is grove. GROVE. A group of geese, group name is gaggle. GAGGLE. A group of geese, group name is gaggle. GAGGLE. So now our lesson number 4 revision is complete. Okay. Now we are going to revise our lesson number 5. Know your cities. Choose the correct answer and filling the blanks. First filling the blanks is blank is called an Iceland city. Options are Mumbai, Patna, Simla. Guess the option. Which city is called an Iceland city? Mumbai, Patna or Shimla? Right answer is Mumbai. Mumbai is called an Iceland city. Next FB is Charminar is in blank. Options are Kolkata, Hyderabad or Ranchi. Which is the correct answer? Kolkata, Hyderabad or Ranchi? Yes, you all are right. Charminar is in Hyderabad. Next one is the Hawa Mahal is in blank. Options are Jaipur, Agra, Srinagar. Third FB is the Hawa Mahal is in blank. Options are Jaipur, Agra or Srinagar. Right answer is Jaipur. The Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. Next FB is blank is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Options are Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata. Which city is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna? Chennai, Delhi or Kolkata? Which is the correct answer? Correct answer is Delhi. Delhi is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Next one is fifth FB is Victoria Memorial is in blank. Options are Bengaluru, Guwahati or Kolkata. Victoria Memorial is in blank. Bengaluru, Guwahati or Kolkata. Correct answer is Kolkata. Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata, right? Next FB, the Gateway of India is in blank. Options are Kochi, Mumbai, Chandigarh. Which is the correct answer? Kochi, Mumbai or Chandigarh? Where is the Gateway of India? Yes, Gateway of India is in Mumbai. So, Mumbai is the correct answer. Next one, 7th FB is the Rock Garden is in blank. Options are Kolkata, Chandigarh, Chennai. Where is Rock Garden? Kolkata, Chandigarh or Chennai? Correct answer is Chandigarh. The Rock Garden is in Chandigarh. Next FB, the Dal Lake is in blank. Where is Dal Lake? Srinagar, Delhi, Jaipur. Where is Dal Lake? In Jaipur? I don't know. Delhi? No. Yes, Srinagar. Yes, this is correct answer. Srinagar. The Dal Lake is in Srinagar. Next FB is the Jama Masjid is in. I hope you all know this answer, right? Ahmedabad, Kolkata or Delhi? Where is Jama Masjid? Yes, Delhi. Jama Masjid is in Delhi. Next FB, the Marina Beach is in blank. Options are Delhi, Chennai or Mumbai. Where is Marina Beach? In Delhi, in Chennai or in Mumbai? Correct answer is Chennai. The Marina Beach is in Chennai. Next have be the Golden Temple is in blank. Where is Golden Temple? In Bhopal, in Jaipur, or in Amritsar? Which is the correct answer? Bhopal? No. Jaipur? No. So Golden Temple is in Amritsar. So our correct answer is Amritsar. Next have be the Brihadeshwara temple is in blank. Options are Chennai, Hyderabad, Thanjore. Our correct answer is Thanjore. Where is Brihadeshwara temple? Thanjore, right? Next one. Blank is not a metropolitan city. Options are Delhi, Kolkata, Nainital. Blank is not a metropolitan city. Options are Delhi, Kolkata, or Nainital. Correct answer is Nainital. Nainital is not a metropolitan city. Next and last have be blank is also known as the Garden City. Options are Delhi, Chandigarh, or Bengaluru. Which city is known as the Garden City? Delhi, Chandigarh, or Bengaluru? Our correct answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also known as the Garden City, right? Now we are quick learning, right? Lesson number 5. You all have to speak with me, okay? An Iceland city, Mumbai. An Iceland city, Mumbai. Charminar, Hyderabad. Charminar, Hyderabad. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. The Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. The bank of the river Yamuna, Delhi. The banks of the river Yamuna, Delhi. Victoria Memorial, Kolkata. Victoria Memorial, Kolkata. The Gateway of India, Mumbai. The Gateway of India, Mumbai. The Rock Garden, Chandigarh. The Rock Garden, Chandigarh. The Dal Lake, Srinagar. The Dal Lake, Srinagar. The Jama Masjid, Delhi. The Jama Masjid, Delhi. The Marina Beach, Chennai. The Marina Beach, Chennai. The Golden Temple, Amritsar. The Golden Temple, Amritsar. The Brihadeshwara Temple, Thanjore. The Brihadeshwara Temple, Thanjore. Not a metropolitan city, Nainital. Not a metropolitan city, Nainital. The Garden City, Bengaluru. The Garden City, Bengaluru. I hope you all are revised properly lesson number 4 and lesson number 5. Okay. So, today's homework is lesson number 4 and 5 write in your book only one time. Okay. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.